Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Top Gaming Tech Place here. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so in this video we are going to look at how you can install FC26 on your PS4. By the way, it does not matter which firmware you are currently running. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. So to install the FC26 on your console, you need to have these three files on your exFAT USB. So the files are the base game, update and the license file. By the way, if you do not understand anything, just comment down below and I will do my best to respond as quickly as possible. Alright, so the base game's storage capacity is 16 GB, and the update is also around 64 GB, so please make sure you have enough free space on your storage. Alright, so I am now waiting for the installation of the update to complete, then I will install the license file and that is it. Okay, so now it is time for me to install the final file, which is the license or the unlocker. So please, at this point, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then please do so, due to the fact that it really encourages me to keep making more videos like this.